Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Indore location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening in Forexpedia Private Limited. They are looking for digital marketing manager. Coming to the job requirements, the candidates should have excellent understanding of digital marketing concepts and best practices, skills and experience in lead generation, excellent client service skills, and excellent written and verbal communication skills are required. Coming to the job responsibilities, maintaining their social media presence across all digital channels, generate day-to-day international leads for the company and convert them to clients from various platforms available. Planning, briefing, development and implementation of digital marketing strategy or campaigns across digital media and understanding how to use all research and lead generation tools available including internet sources such as social and business media and achieve effective web-based marketing that allows the business to generate and sell leads. These are the responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the salary, it will depend on the interview. And interested candidates, you can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Senior Receiver Specialist in Studio 52 Media and Technology Group. Coming to the job responsibilities, plans and executes all web SEO on pace of pace technical SEO, designs, builds and maintains their search engine presence, measures and reports performance of all digital marketing campaigns and assess against goals like ROI and KPIs. Identifies trends and insights and optimizes spend and performance based on the insights. Brainstorms new and creative growth strategies through digital marketing. Plans, executes and measures experiments and conversion tests and collaborates with internal teams to create landing pages and optimize user experience. These are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates, you can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Atricot. They are looking for Operation Hacker Manager. Coming to the job requirements, the candidates should have excellent organizational skills and the candidates should have excellent written communication skills, content communicator with the ground staff and highly level of accuracy and attention to detail and numerate and good working knowledge of Microsoft Excel, experience in training, developing and mentoring new staff, experience in developing and refining process to improve efficiency and the experience of customers, proven ability to develop, collect and monitor appropriate KPIs to drive daily sale improvements in the trains, proven ability to prioritize your own and team workloads to meet requirements, and minimum experience will be 3 years of experience required. And these are the requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, you can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for business analyst in Value Straight Investment Advisor Private Limited. Coming to the job role, it would be BA, SBA, RM, ARM. And coming to the experience required, it will be 1 month to 5 years of experience is preferred. And it would be for male or females and job type is full time and it is work from home and salary will be offered starting from 1.8 per annum. And coming to the job requirements, basic qualification graduation will be MBA or it will be graduate and good communication and negotiation skills are required and added advantage if NISM qualified and fluency in English is must. These are the job requirements. Interested candidates, you can please go through the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for copywriter in Blacksoft. Coming to the job responsibilities, it would be like highly creative and imaginative and curious about clients' products or services, in writing clear, concise and grammatical correct copy, and have excellent interpersonal and communication skills, work well in a team and with a range of creative people, able to work under pressure and manage workloads effectively, highly self-motivated and well organized, and able to see other people's points of view and take on board feedback, and have an eye for detail. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications required, like 2 years of plus experience required in copywriting, and excellent written and verbal communication skills along with highly organized with excellent attention to detail. These are the responsibilities and qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, please go through the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for client servicing executive in Ascent Brand Communications Private Limited. For this job role, you must be an MBA or equivalent graduate, and minimum 3 years of experience is required. Excellent communicator, excellent writing skills, and excellent presentation skills along with excellent networking skills are required. And interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for e-commerce manager in Rise Agro Infra. Coming to the requirements, driving the sales performance of the e-commerce platform, managing and executing promotional campaigns, providing insights on customer shopping trends to support assortment selection and identify assortment gaps, working closely with demand planning and warehousing teams in order to ensure smooth order fulfillment. Coming to the benefits, you have a degree in marketing, business administration or related field is required, and you have a prior experience in a similar role, and experience within digital marketing is a plus, and you possess a solid understanding of e-commerce frameworks, and you have a self-starter mentality with the ability to manage multiple projects in a fast-paced working environment. These are the benefits, and interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please check in the description for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing executive in Hyperlink Technology. Coming to the job responsibilities, design, maintain and supply content for the organization's website, formulate strategies to build lasting digital connection with customers, monitor company presence on social media, manage multiple SEO, SMO, PPC projects as and when required, and launch advertisements to increase brand awareness. These are the responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications, like the candidates should have bachelor's degree in marketing or related field, and the candidates should have excellent understanding of digital marketing concepts and experience with business to customer social media and content generation. These are the qualifications required. Coming to the skills required, like keyword research, Canva designing, like understanding of design concept is must, and tool handling like keyword, email marketing, designing, etc. These are the skills required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, please go through the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for application executive in Alzato Overseas Education. And coming to the work experience required for the desired candidates, like 1 to 4 years of work experience, preferably in overseas education and service industry, and freshers with excellent academics track record and good reading and writing skills are encouraged to apply. Coming to the candidate qualification, like the candidates should be graduates with 60% and above in 10th, 12th and in a bachelor's desirable, and should be a quick learner and should be able to multitask and good team player within a target driven environment. And coming to the preferred skills, excellent reading, written English and verbal communication skills in English are required, and having good interpersonal, team and analytical skills, excellent internet surfing skills, result oriented and able to work under pressure to achieve targets, and problem solving skills are required. And coming to the computer skills, like the candidates should be able to communicate with business partners and students over emails. These are the job requirements. Interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.